Alrighty, good morning class. So I just wanted to do another video today to let you know what you needed to do. I know that some of you guys were saying that you were having an issue with this PDF. I noticed because the hoster had told me, so I tried it and it was not working. And so I resaved it and then put a new one on there and it is now pulling up. But I was having the same problem that Sahastra mentioned, so I went and fixed it. So if you're trying to look at it, you can go back and look at it again. And then don't forget, Miss Johns and I posted our attendance questions. So Miss Johns is, what is your favorite sea life creature and why? And mine is, what is your favorite season of the year and why? And I'm providing sentence stems to kind of help you form those complete sentences. The only thing that you have on Google Classroom today, and it's showing up here, right in here, is a possessive noun lesson. All I want you to do today is just review my notes that I wrote for you guys with some example sentences and such. And then on Thursday, because normally Monday, Wednesday, Friday in class was writing and Tuesday, Thursday was grammar. On Thursday, I'll post the possessive noun assignment, which is only 10 multiple choice questions, kind of like the ED and ING from last week. But it shouldn't take you very long, and I'll go over these notes today on Google Hangout as well. If you also want to look, you can go to classwork. Again, the ones that have the purple icon are the ones that are the things that the assignments. So like this isn't purple, but it's not purple because it's not an assignment. It's just something for you to look at. It's just notes. But so right now, all you still have is your magazine article and the vocabulary module 8 week 2. And again, if you're looking at the vocabulary and you're wanting to know where to find the answers, right here, it says vocabulary definitions. This is where you need to pull up this, and then you can open this and you can go back and forth between the two. If you want more detail, you can go to my previous video from yesterday. It's explaining that. Now, when we go to HMH, remember HMH, we're gonna go here. You're finishing up the story. It's gonna take a second. Okay, so you're finishing up the story, A Bumpy Ride. Okay, so you're finishing up A Bumpy Ride, and then you also have the Prepared to Read, kind of giving you an idea what Rosie Revere is going to be about. But today, there's an online selection quiz, A Bumpy Ride. It's just like the quiz that you did last week over Timeless Thomas. It's 5 questions, multiple choice, and you'll just press start. You have until Friday to complete this. And it tells you too, if you're wanting to know, like when something is due, it'll tell you right here. It'll say due date in 3 days, April 10th, 2020. So all of these right now are due on Friday. And then remember too, if some of you guys are trying to find your old assignments from last week that you didn't do, you need to look here where it says overdue. You're not gonna find them in your to-do section because you might be like, oh, I can't find them. You gotta look here and you're overdue, and then this is gonna be, okay, I have completed 5 tasks. So look there. Remember, if you're trying to read stuff though, and you need to go to your assignments to start it, because some of you guys are struggling to find the things that I'm talking about because you're trying to go into the actual, you guys are trying to go actually into this. All the stuff that you ever gonna need is right here. And then when you click on it, it helps you just get straight to where you're supposed to be. So those are the only things that I have for you today. That's it. I don't have anything else for you guys to do aside from if you still need to do the vocabulary and obviously read the story, do that. And if you are still needing to catch up on some work from last week, do that. Probably this afternoon, well, maybe later this morning, I'm gonna go through and look and see if anybody has turned in any other assignments to me on Google Classroom or on HMH, and I will grade those for you and put those in Skyward so they stop showing as missing. But please make sure that you're going to Skyward and looking to see, it tells you exactly what's missing, And I'm going to try to do that by every Friday, try to put in the grades. So that way over the weekend, if you're like, oh snap, I was missing something, you're able to look at it and figure it out and see. And also you can go back and say, okay, this assignment was supposed to be done on Tuesday. Let me look at Miss Worthy's Tuesday video to see how I go about getting to those assignments. So hopefully that this is helping you guys. Please make sure you're watching these videos and looking at the schedule. It will help a lot if with any confusion that you have. So cool.